Do you buy rotisserie chicken and then throw away all the scraps? Well, don't. I have a quick, easy, and super delicious recipe to make your own chicken stock. Let's get started. In a large stock pot on medium heat, add all your chicken pieces, bones, skin, anything that you're not going to eat. Add enough water to completely cover and bring it up to a boil. Once it starts to simmer, add your vegetables. I like to add a whole quartered onion, a couple carrots, and you rough chop everything because you're going to strain it later. I like to include the carrot tops, a couple stalks of celery, garlic, and a bunch of parsley, 1 bay leaf, and a teaspoon of peppercorns. Simmer this for about 2 to 3 hours. Completely strain to remove all the solids. And I like to press down on it to extract every last bit of that wonderful flavor. And that's it. So easy, so delicious, and so good. Thanks for watching. And until next time, ciao.